With tax reporting, you can calculate, plan, and analyze your immediate and future tax requirements, centrally or decentralized, based on your business. Its flexible hierarchical reporting structure is designed to support the multinational enterprise. National and regional tax expense is calculated at the legal entity and filing group levels, following GAAP standards set by national and regional tax authorities. The data for legal entities can then be consolidated to the enterprise level. Tax reporting calculates the current national and regional tax provision, deferred tax assets and liabilities, effective tax rates, and tax payable. You can perform tax planning and analyze base erosion and profit shifting. Tax reporting also provides a complete solution for country-by-country reporting. Tax reporting includes Task Manager to coordinate the tax process. You can define sequential, logically grouped tasks for all tax-related activities, assign tasks to preparers and reviewers, and monitor progress. Approvals provides a structured, multi-level review and approval process for entity data, with email notifications and sign-off requirements. Supplemental Data Manager helps you organize, update, edit, and manage supplemental data, typically financial transactions. It's a robust data collection tool useful for footnotes, disclosures, and supporting details. Now let's explore these key features. Use the work list to view your task assignments. The work list is customized to individual users and lists the outstanding tasks users need to perform, with a status and due date. The panel on the right summarizes your workload and priorities. The National Tax Provision Tax Package provides the resources you need to prepare the current and deferred provisions. You use the Current Provision form to calculate the provision for current year taxes. Tax Automation retrieves data for your tax accounts for a selected legal entity. You can make manual adjustments in the Adjustments column. You can drill down for detail. The first row displays net income before tax. Permanent and temporary differences, deductions for state and regional taxes, and tax losses from prior years are applied to net income before tax to calculate your current year tax on taxable income. You can then apply tax credits and provision adjustments, such as return to accrual, to arrive at the current year provision. For legal entities that use IFRS, the Book versus Tax form enables you to use a comprehensive balance sheet approach. You load or enter the book basis and tax basis movements for your balance sheet accounts. The system calculates the differences for the temporary difference current year movement and end of period. Schedules for temporary differences, tax losses, and tax credits, with columns for details such as audit settlements and return to accrual, help you to prepare the deferred tax provision. With the tax losses and tax credit schedules, you can manage detail, including year of expiration, for up to 20 years of data on losses and credits. The deferred tax form calculates the deferred tax assets and liabilities resulting from temporary differences between book and tax. It shows the opening balances and current year movements and calculates closing balances. The consolidated ETR form calculates the consolidated effective tax rates with an analysis of each tax account's impact on the effective tax rate percentage. Analyses are also available for national and regional effective tax rates. The tax package for the regional provision provides resources for preparing the current and deferred provisions for states or provinces. Use the current provision regional form to enter region-specific deductions and tax credits. It apportions income to the region and applies the regional tax rate to calculate the regional provision. As with the national provision, schedules are provided for tax losses, tax credits, and temporary differences. Multinational enterprises can use country-by-country reporting to meet taxing authority requirements for country-by-country, such as Tables 1, 2, and 3. Risk assessment for country-by-country provides a collection of dashboards and reports to analyze tax expense across jurisdiction, including factors such as revenue by employee and return on equity. The dashboards are useful in identifying potential transfer pricing risks by comparing year-over-year changes in the ratios. Tax reporting dashboards provide visual summaries of your tax data that can reveal important trends and relationships. Dashboards are included for your key tax data indicators. Point of view controls let you change the data parameters and chart types. You can edit dashboards to tailor them to your needs, and you can create your own dashboards. Dashboards 2.0 includes powerful new visualization types such as geomaps, ring charts, pyramids, and waterfall charts. The Reports module provides a library of reports with production-level formatting. Reports provide summarized views of data with ability to drill to detail. Using the Report Designer, you can add rows and columns with custom calculations, for example, columns for variances or averages, and you can add charts. Reports can be viewed as HTML, PDF files, or Excel worksheets. Books of reports can be printed in batches. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.